Do you want to get a hair transplant in Dublin but you are unsure where to start? Hair transplantation is a rapidly growing industry and patients today have more clinics to choose from than ever before. With so many clinics, it's easy to get lost among all the different options. Thankfully, I'm here to help. Hi, I'm János from HairPalace Hair Clinic, and as a patient coordinator I have accompanied the treatment of more than 1,500 patients in the past 5 years. While I would love to tell you all about HairPalace, this video is not about us. I'm here to help you find the best hair transplant clinics in Dublin. I will go over every important detail of each clinic, including prices, methods, and customer reviews. So by the end of this video, you will be able to pick the clinic that gives you the most value for your money. But before you can decide on the best destination for your hair transplant, let's take a look at the top 5 clinics based on Google reviews. The number 1 spot goes to the Premier Hair Restoration Clinic. The PHRC team has over 35 years of combined experience, and the clinic is part of the World Trichology Society. This gives its staff access to new insights into hair loss treatment. The clinic enjoys large popularity among patients, having received 4.9 out of 5 stars on Google based on 230 reviews. Aside from standard FUE surgery, the clinic also offers laser therapy, non-surgical hair replacement options, SMP, and a wide range of trichological treatments. The cost of an FUE surgery ranges from 7,200 up to 10,500 euros. Should you choose this clinic for your operation. At number 2, we have the Ailesbury Hair Clinic. This clinic offers a unique combination of treatments, including aesthetic hair integration, FUE, follicle multiplication, and PRP treatment, and the application of specialized trichology hair products after the procedure along with laser therapy. Their prices start at 7,500 euros and may go up to 12,500 euros. While their prices might look steep, the clinic has got a 4.9 rating based on 147 Google reviews. The number 3 spot goes to Tiernanog Clinic. Treatments available at Tiernanog Clinic include hair restoration and medical aesthetic procedures. This entails anti-wrinkle injections, microneedling, and blepharoplasty along with the normal FUE and FUT surgeries. Their prices start at 7,200 euros and may reach up to 12,200 euros. The clinic has excellent reviews, sitting at 4.9 stars. However, this is only based on 38 Google reviews. At number 4, we have Hair Restoration Blackrock. HRBR has treated multiple high-profile celebrities, including Anton Dubik, James Nesbitt, and Louis Wolf. The clinic provides both non-surgical treatments and FUE hair transplants. Their smallest FUE package starts at 9,000 euros, but their biggest package can cost as much as 14,000 euros. Sadly, despite the steep costs, they are only rated 4.3 out of 5 stars based on 37 reviews. Last but not least, at number 5, we have the Beacon Hair Restoration Clinic. Beacon Hair Restoration is a Dublin-based clinic who are providing patients with FUE transplants as well as beard and eyebrow restoration. This clinic received a rating of 3.8 stars based on 17 Google reviews. Prices range from 7,000 up to 12,500 euros. So which clinic should you choose? Based on our research, for a hair transplant in Dublin, Premier Hair Restoration Clinic could be the best choice. They have a nearly excellent rating based on the reviews of previous patients, so you can rest easy knowing you are in capable hands. Plus, their packages are reasonably priced compared to most other clinics in the country. While their price range of 7,200 and 10,500 euros is clearly cheap for Dublin, it is still far from affordable. The average person simply can't afford to pay 10,000 euros for a hair transplant. But thankfully, there is a way to regain your hair without breaking the bank. Clinics in Hungary offer the same high level of care you are used to for a fraction of the price. Hungary is a member of the EU, which means that you can expect the same standards in the private healthcare sector as you would in Ireland. While the standard of care is high, the costs of living is far lower than in Ireland. So you can often save 5, 6 or even 7,000 euros compared to the Irish prices. When it comes to choosing the right clinic abroad, we highly advise you to put an emphasis on the reviews of previous patients. Looking at the Google reviews of a company allows you to see how previous patients were treated and gives a better picture of what you can expect. Based on Google reviews, HairPalace is by far the best clinic in Hungary. Our clinic specializes in FUE hair transplants and uses the latest FUE 2-Safe system technique. HairPalace offers all-inclusive packages that cost less than 70% of what you would pay in Dublin. With our help, you can regain your dense hair and save 5, 6 or even 7,000 euros in the process. Would you like to save thousands of euros on your hair transplant? Get in contact with a member of our team and book a free consultation today through the link in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every week, so you can take a look at success stories and learn more about hair restoration methods that can help you overcome hair loss once and for all. Thank you for watching.